Hey everybody, it's Mr. H, just here to give you a quick tutorial on how to do the air ducts. This is going to be a slightly different way of doing it than the video tutorial we've all been watching. So we're going to go ahead and grab the trapezoid, and using the M key, we're just going to flip it. And then using the shift key, we're going to grab this box here, and we're going to shrink this down to about 12 millimeters. Sorry about that. Grab it down, make it about 12 millimeters, rotate it on its side, go ahead and make that about 45, you're gonna make that 45 centimeters in length. Then we're gonna control D to duplicate it, and we're gonna duplicate it, but we're gonna turn the duplicate into a hole, okay? Then we're going to use the arrow keys. Now we're looking at it from the side view here. We're gonna use the arrow keys to go ahead and make this both longer. So we're going to make this about 60. So we're going to make it definitely longer than we need it to be. And then we're going to use the Alt and the Shift key, okay? And we're going to just drag this inward and make this about 10 millimeters, okay? So now when we go ahead and we look at it from the side view again, and now use the arrows to push it back through, we end up getting what is a trapezoid that is both going all the way through and is now also going to be hollow once we group it. So we go ahead and group it, and now you see that there is the air duct or the engine duct. The last thing that we're going to do is going back to the basic shapes. We're going to grab the hollow cube. We're going to rotate. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it like 30. And then we're gonna go ahead and rotate it to make it 22.5 degrees. I just have to position mine in the right way so I can get the rotation. So we're gonna get 22.5 degrees right there. And now we're going to just bring this over and line it up right on the corner. You may need to get to the top view, grab this, bring it right over here. And now, once we do this, we are going to just group these two together. So Control G, and that's going to give us an angle that is done just like in the video, okay? He also tilts it on a -5 degree angle. So we're going to turn it to -5, but just be aware that you, if you tilt it to -5 and then you need to make this longer, it could make your object no longer be the same shape. So you want to make it as long as it needs to be first, and then add that 22.5 degree, I'm sorry, the -5 degrees. Otherwise, you could end up with some issues. All right, hope this helped. Just a quick tutorial. If you have any questions, you can ask me in class or ask a student. Okay,